how tutorials. In this video I want to show you how to get the new AI-controlled Windows Copilot also in the European Union. To do this, you first need to activate the extensions for known file types. Now, create a text file called Windows Copilot preview.exe. Drag the file and drop it to the taskbar. Now drag the pinned file on the taskbar all the way to the left. When you are done, right-click on the file you just moved to the left on the taskbar, right-click on Copilot, Preview, and select Properties. Copy the first command from the video description and paste it at target. If you want, you can create a key combination at shortcut key. Now you just have to change the icon. You can download the .ico file with the Google Drive link from the video description. We are done. Have fun with the Copilot.